saw an advert on Facebook for the British Military Fitness in the local park, and I just thought, why not? It's a free trial, we'll go for it. I couldn't get anyone to come with me because they really felt like it was going to be this really hard thing, but it wasn't like that. And actually when I got there were loads of different people, all shapes, all sizes, really friendly. People that were running the classes, they'd all been in the army, but they were just super lovely and friendly, and they didn't scream or shout at you or all the things that my friends thought was going to happen to them. And I've not stopped going since. So a friend suggested Mindful Chef as the missing piece of the pie. They tailor recipes for you and they bring everything to your door, exactly the right amount of ingredients, there's no waste. The thing I really like about Mindful Chef is that you get tasty recipes, really good ingredients, great flavours, it's really interesting, and also you're fueling your body with the right nutrients. I just feel very healthy afterwards.